Hello, I just got a SMP treatment at Glojas Smart International Aesthetic Clinic. So I was looking for a solution for my hair because I lost my hair very young, and I was looking for an effective way to not to look so bald, to have like a bit more hair on my head. I asked the technicians here for their advice, and they were very competent. They proposed me different solutions. One of those was like a smart FUE. So they proposed me to do an SMP, which is basically a kind of tattoo, but like with very small dots that are covering the bald part of my head. And I was very happy with that solutions because I shave my head now for some times, and they showed me some pictures of existing results, and to me it looked like very convincing. I couldn't notice that it was like actually a scalp micropigmentation. So after that initial appointment, we decided to proceed with two treatments. So I was again like welcomed very nicely. Some people might be afraid that it's very painful. It's actually alright. I received a lunch, which was very appreciated. And also I was looking for something not like a strong hairline, so I was looking for a soft hairline that looks more natural. And yeah, the technician and doctor were very flexible, and I was very happy with that. Now you can see the result after a second treatment. So far I'm very happy. The dots are going to appear a bit, will be a bit stronger, a bit darker in 2-3 days, so then you will be able to see the final results. But so far I have to say that I'm quite happy with the results, and yeah, you can see by yourself.